Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey through China, revealing its top 12 hidden gems that you absolutely must visit. These spots are a blend of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired. Number 12. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. Ever wondered where the floating mountains in Avatar were inspired from? Well, this is the place. The towering sandstone pillars here will leave you speechless. It's like stepping into a fantasy world. Number 11. Zhangjiajie Valley. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a paradise of crystal-clear lakes, cascading waterfalls, and colorful forests. Every corner of Zhangjiajie looks like a scene from a fairy tale. Number 10. The Rainbow Mountains of Zhangjiajie. Imagine a canvas painted with the most vibrant colors nature can offer. These mountains are a geological wonder and a photographer's dream. Number 9. The ancient city of Pingyao. Time travel to the Ming and Qing dynasties as you walk through the well-preserved streets of Pingyao. It's like living history right before your eyes. Number 8. Guilin and the Li River. The stunning karst landscape here has inspired poets and painters for centuries. A cruise on the Li River is an experience you won't forget. Number 7. Mount Huangshan, also known as Yellow Mountain. This mystical place with its rugged peaks and sea of clouds is often seen in traditional Chinese paintings. Hiking here is both a physical and spiritual journey. Number 6. The Zhangjiajie Rice Terraces. Also known as the Dragon's Backbone, these terraces have been cultivated for over 600 years. The view of the terraced fields changing colors with the seasons is simply mesmerizing. Number 5. The Great Wall at Jinshanling. Skip the crowded sections and head to Jinshanling for a more serene experience. The views here are absolutely stunning, and the hike is truly rewarding. Number 4. The water town of Wuzhen. Experience the charm of traditional Chinese water towns. With its ancient stone bridges, narrow alleys, and tranquil canals, Wuzhen feels like stepping into a beautiful, serene painting. Number 3. The Mogao Caves in Dunhuang. These caves are a treasure trove of Buddhist art and manuscripts. It's an awe-inspiring place that showcases the incredible cultural heritage of China. Number 2. Lijiang Old Town. Wander through the cobblestone streets and wooden houses of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The blend of traditional Naxi culture and stunning architecture will captivate your heart. And finally, number 1. The Potala Palace in Lhasa. This iconic palace is a symbol of Tibetan Buddhism and an architectural marvel. The spiritual ambiance and the breathtaking views from the top make it a must-visit. There you have it, China's top 12 hidden gems. Each of these places offers a unique and unforgettable experience. So, pack your bags, grab your camera, and let the adventure begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.